everyone, and welcome back to our daily English speaking practice series. I am Lily, your host, and Dust. This is day 2, and today's focus is on English speaking practice for intermediate learners. In this lesson, you'll get real daily conversation practice, vocabulary for fluency, and speaking exercises that will help you speak English more confidently in everyday life. So, get ready to listen, repeat, and practice with me. Remember, daily English speaking practice, even for just 15-30 minutes, can transform your fluency. Let's get started. Repeat after me. These are daily English sentences you can use right away. I'm trying to improve my English every day. Speaking English helps me connect with people. Could you repeat that more slowly, please? I didn't understand that word. Can you explain? I feel more confident when I practice every day. Now, let's do a conversation practice for intermediate English learners. I'll play both roles, but you should practice speaking each line with me. Situation 1. Ordering at a cafe. A. Good morning. Can I get a cup of coffee, please? Bobby. Sure. Would you like milk or sugar with that? A. Just a little milk, please. How much is it? Bobby, it's $3.50. A. Great. Here you go, thank you. Bobby. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Tip. Practice saying it quickly like a real conversation. Situation. 2. Meeting a new friend. A. Hi, I don't think we've met before. What's your name? B. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from? B. I'm from Canada, and you? A. I'm from Brazil. How long have you been here? B. About 3 months. This type of English speaking practice conversation helps you sound natural when meeting new people. Now, let's practice shadowing. That means listening to me and repeating at the same time. Dialogue. At the supermarket, A. Excuse me, where can I find the bread? B. It's in aisle 5, next to the milk. A. Thank you so much. And do you sell fresh fruit here? B. Yes, the fruit section is at the back, near the entrance to the bakery. A. Perfect. I'll go there next. Try shadowing this conversation 2 or 3 times. It will train your brain to think in English faster. Let's do a quick fluency drill. I'll give you a word, and you try to make a sentence with it in 5 seconds. Ready? Confident. Pause for learners to make sentence. Improve. Pause. Habit. Pause. Challenge. Pause. Fluent. Pause. Doing this daily builds speaking speed and fluency. Amazing work today. This was day 2 of your daily English speaking practice for intermediate learners. We practice conversations, learned new vocabulary, improve fluency with shadowing and speaking drills.
Now, let's learn 10 intermediate English words and phrases you can use every day. Repeat after me. 1. Opportunity, a chance to do something. Example, learning English gives me more opportunities. 2. Confident, sure of yourself. Example, I feel more confident when I practice speaking. 3. Challenge, something difficult that tests you. Example, speaking English is a challenge, but I enjoy it. 4. Polite, showing good manners. Example, it's polite to say please and thank you. 5. Improve, to get better at something. Example, daily English practice improves my fluency. 6. Experience, something you have done or lived through. Example, traveling abroad was a great experience. 7. Comfortable, relaxed and at ease. Example, I feel comfortable speaking English with friends. 8. Habit, something you do regularly. Example, practicing English every day is a good habit. 9. Fluent, able to speak easily and smoothly. Example, my goal is to become fluent in English. 10. Motivated, having a strong reason to do something. Example, I stay motivated by practicing with friends. Speech balloon, use these words in your daily English speaking practice. If you keep practicing English speaking online every day, you'll notice big improvements in just a few weeks. White right pointing backhand index. Don't forget to check out day 1 if you missed it. and get ready for day 3 tomorrow. Please like thumbs up sign, subscribe bell, and comment below. What was your favorite new word from today's lesson? See you in the next practice session.